Okay, let's learn how to puppy tail today. It's called the puppy tail because it's like your tail is wagging as you're doing this. Let's go like this. Okay, so start with your legs 10 feet apart. Okay, and you want to start with this motion. Let me show you guys what it looks like in the front. Start with this motion. Start with this motion. Okay. Left leg, right leg, left, right leg. Okay. Okay, now squat a little. Keep going like this. Squat a little. Keep going like this. Okay, that's the easiest way. So you're just going to keep doing this. Legs in and out, in and out. Okay, now let's try that slow. Right leg, drop. Left leg, drop. Right leg, drop. Left leg, drop. Again, right leg, drop. Left leg, drop. Right, left. Do that for counts. 1, left leg, 2, right leg, 3, left leg, 4. Again, right leg, 1, left leg, 2, right leg, 3, left leg, 4. And then we can do it fast. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 8.